Tired of endless life tweaks? Repetition driving you nuts? Time to focus on what really matters. Meet Falcam Move LightGo, your new light control system. Cut setup time in half. Pan, tilt, all from your fingertips. Break physical limits. Create freely. One-touch memory presets. Change complex lighting in seconds. Make your adjustment easy. For product shoes, get silky light sweeps. Control speed and path like a pro. Sync multiple lights with one remote. Solo work? No problem. Bowens mount fits 95% of pro lights. Choose diverse power options, mobile field lighting, indoor quick charge. Even share power with your lights. Expandable setup. Snap on accessories as you go. Break free. Lighting unchained. Create without limits. The Falcam Move ecosystem is here.